have this unicorn makeup tutorial for you guys. I've been excited to do this one. I was inspired kind of last year for it, but I didn't have all the like things I needed for it, you know what I mean? But I absolutely love how this turned out. I mean, unicorns, I love them. It's just a majestic creature that's fun, and yeah, my son wouldn't let me be a unicorn this year. He wants me to be a witch. So I figured I would do the tutorial for you guys and just give you a little bit of inspiration. It's super fun, super easy. You can customize it however you want to. You could change the wig color, whatever. It works with blonde wig, I feel like, too. Colorful ones, there's plenty of inspo, but I just wanted to do my take, as I said. And I just want to say, I used these Wet n Wild palettes. They're like Halloween collection ones today. And they are super good, like super pigmented. It was easy to put on, except for the glitter, like the silvery one. That one was a little bit more difficult. It was kind of chunky, but this pastel pink is what I used, and I'm excited to play around. Like, now I want to do way more looks with the colorful colors, so I'm going to try to think of something else to do with these palettes, because the other tutorial I have is a darker kind of look, so I won't be using these specific palettes for it. Yeah, I won't be. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoy this tutorial, and that's everything. So let's get into it. Okay, everybody, I hope you guys enjoyed this unicorn makeup tutorial. I'm in childhood heaven, like Lisa Frank unicorns, super girliness, pink. I love it, and I loved this unicorn horn, which is why I specifically like grabbed this one, just because of the gold and the pink and the silver. It was very dainty and pretty and feminine. So I was just like, I had to do it. I had to do this tutorial for you guys and to make myself happy with it. So I hope any of you girly, super girly people will love this one, because I know like my last tutorial was a witch. I have another more like darker character Halloween coming up for you, and the Wet n Wild palettes made me really want to try other makeup looks that are more colorful and girly and fun and like pastel colored. So I'm thinking of what I want to do for that. I have, you know, a little bit of time, not that much time though, before Halloween is here, but I'm super excited. I love Halloween. So I hope you guys continue to enjoy my Halloween videos. I do have a playlist if you want to check out all the other ones that I've done from previous years. And yeah, I'll see you guys in my next video. Love you guys. Bye!